no, no.
Ready? Where's the hills? Where are the hills?
But me, I'm pedaling for real, right?
I hope so.
It's just to steer.
The steering is all loose.
We have to be careful. Do you know how to brake? Try to brake to be sure. I'm still scared. I just want to do it. Does he brake for real?
I think it slowed it down a little bit.
Is that fun?
Oh, this is amazing. Of course it's fun.
Be careful, we're going to have an accident.
We're gonna have it. What are you gonna shit your pants? I had an accident. I want to hear this. We're cruising now.
Oh my god, my legs hurt already.
2 hours.
Well, we can bring it back over here, huh?
Let's take it out on the highway. We can't pass by a kid on train.
Everybody passing us. Okay, I'm pushing it. Oh, he's broken there. Yeah.
Oh, yep, it did. Yup, just the lens.